Hi guys, we received this little heat press for personalized customization, which is really nice. It has these really nice comfortable handles. It's safe. It has 3 temperature adjustments and it has a uniform heating, which is really nice. So let's take them out of the box. They come with some letters to personalize whatever you want. Here we have the manual, and here's the heat press. So it's really nice. Has a perfect fit for the base and a really good cable. In here the LED indicates if it's preheating, warming up, or if it's reached to the set temperature one. It has 3 levels: low, medium and high. When they are turned off, obviously is that it's off. So it's really nice, really compact. It looks amazing. I like that it comes with the Teflon paper, so you can start making your own clothes. So I really recommend them. See ya.